First you gotta put your neck, your neck, your neck, your neck, your neck, your neck. First you gotta put your neck, your neck, your neck, your neck. The dick good, thick, big and long, 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 big and long.
Y'all, I'm watching Catfish. Hold on. So yeah, it's Sunday evening and I've ran around all day. I've taken a shower and washed my hair. Got a medium box, a small box, and 2 small boxes. What we're finna do is go ahead and start packing because yeah, I don't want to have to be doing it all week. All right guys, so don't judge me. It's just like this little gown. It is Sunday night. I'm packing. Y'all don't judge me, judge your mama. So yeah guys, so I'm starting off with 4 boxes. I got this baby box right here, a small box, and a medium box. So yeah, I think in this very small box I'm gonna put like makeup and stuff. So yeah guys, I'm back. This is just a little quick update. These are just like workout pants and pajamas and stuff. I need to go through this basket of clothes and fold them up. I also need to go through the rest of the clothes that are right here that I just pulled out. Where are you? So far in the boxes, at the bottom of this box I just have some my shoes, and then I have those 3 wigs and then my scarves. This box is like makeup, and yeah, this is gonna be makeup. I only have 1 more of these things to add in here, so that'll be makeup. This box is empty. This box is empty. It just has a packing tape. Then this is my gym bag, and then this bag is already packed with like my important documents and stuff like that. And then I have this bag that also could take some more stuff. So yeah, and then I'm also laying out my clothes for the week so I can pack up all the rest of my clothes. So I have what I'm wearing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I need 2 more outfits to just set out so that I don't have to keep dipping back into those clothes. And then started from these khakis all the way to these jeans. They're all my jeans. I'm just gonna grab these hangers and go like that. On each hanger is 2 to 3 pairs of jeans, so I just have them all right here. And then I'm gonna get 1 more of the small boxes to put all of these things. This is the jewelry that I wear daily, and this is the makeup that I use daily. And then I have my little fan, and then I have this thing right here with my underwear, socks, bras, under t-shirts and stuff like that, and my purse. So yeah guys, so I'm on Wayfair.com. I heard so much stuff about Wayfair, so I'm on here because I'm trying to look for stuff for office. So let's jump over here to Walmart. So I am in love with this clear desk. I would want the clear one. Unfortunately, they're sold out. They're sold out of the clear one. The other ones just look a little bit too childish. If anything, I would get this gray. It's out of stock. What is this gray one out of stock? No, the gray one is in stock. So I really love this desk though, but I really love the clear one. So yeah, I don't know, but I want a simple desk, something like that. And then on Wayfair, I kind of want a cute, sleek futon. Like I said, this is going to be in the office, and I'm also going to be using this to film. Y'all, this right here, I'm also going to be using this futon to film, and if me and baby do videos together, then we'll use a futon. But I think this is so cute. I want to make the office more girly, just because the living room, I want to keep it kind of basic, just because a baby is not a girly type of person. And if you know her, you know that. So I kind of want to make the office girly so that, you know, I can have my happy place. I see Wayfair has 70% off things. So yeah, I'm just doing a little shopping, but I am definitely into this desk. I had it in my cart, y'all, and it wasn't sold out. And now the clear one sold out. So I may just like look at IKEA. Y'all like this desk? Let me know. I want that desk. And I want that purple futon. That futon. What y'all think? Good morning, guys. So it is October 3rd. And it is approximately 3 days before the move. Today, the people are coming to turn on my electricity over at the apartment, Georgia Power. So yeah, I am actually at work. It is 6:35, and I actually got here really early. I'm supposed to be at work at 7. I'm laying down my edges, of course. Just got on this little wraparound black dress. Nothing major. I just wanted to come and check in and say today I'm getting my electricity turned on at the apartment, and yeah, 3 more days. 3 more days, y'all. Hey guys, so as y'all see, I'm just leaving Gold's Gym. Today is October 3rd, y'all, and I'm fresh off of work. So I'm about to go home and like shower and stuff and get comfortable, and I'm gonna finish packing. Baby is packing too. So yeah, we're both just like packing and so super excited because the weekend is coming soon, y'all. And I'm just so like excited. I know y'all probably like, damn, bitch, you so excited. I'm so excited. Y'all, isn't this ironic? I carry a Planet Fitness bag, but I go to Gold's Gym. Just left the gym. I know y'all still waiting on some like come to the gyms with me. And hopefully I can start getting those out for you when I move. But yeah, nothing's really popping. Think in this vlog y'all saw day 1 of me packing, and I basically got everything together. Think this video was gonna come out Friday, which will be the day before I actually move, because today is, what's today? Yo, today's Wednesday. But just to update, me and baby are both packing. She's packing her spot up. I'm packing all my stuff at Granny house. And then we're gonna move on this weekend. So I just wanted to come and like touch bases with y'all. I'm trying to like keep y'all in the loop with my moving situation, but it's hard. So all the daily vloggers and weekly vloggers, like shout out to y'all, because I can't vlog every day. I be forgetting to pick up the camera and everything else. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. And yeah, the next vlog you see hopefully will be a apartment tour. I don't know if I'm gonna dedicate one video to an apartment tour. I may dedicate like moving / the apartment tour in my next video. So I may film Saturday. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this video is gonna go out Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope y'all had a happy Friday. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Reporting live from the internet. Signing out. Back to you, well. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Deuces. Hey, guys. So, yeah, y'all saw me go get my coffee and everything. So, I'm back. I got my coffee sitting back there. So, now I am starting to pack.